honor the people, the pillars, those who have made most of us who we are today, our teachers. Today is the Teachers' Day. As all of us, in fact, remember our favorite teachers, try and reconnect with the memories that we had, and in them and their contribution in shaping us as who we have become today. It's important to note that, it just doesn't become a day where we think of our teachers today and then forget about it, because teachers play a very, very important role in nation building. And of course, for India to become and to realize its true potential, teachers are going to be one of the most important pillars. Today, as I said, is a Teachers' Day. Prime Minister also, in fact, spoke about the Teachers' Day and said teachers contribute to nation building. And he also remembered Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, former president, whose birthday, in fact, is celebrated as the Teachers' Day. Very interesting, a lot of things that people are talking about, and one person who put out a very interesting, in fact, aspect on this is former Delhi Education Minister and former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who spoke about the fact that teachers should be paid as much, their salaries, compensation should be raised to as much as IAS officers for the contribution that they made in nation building. Let's just listen into what he said. I will also then introduce two stellar teachers to you, and then we'll take this discussion forward.
मुझे लगता है, मैं सही में दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, किसी राजनीतिक उसमें नहीं, एक भारतीय होने के नाते बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर हमें 2047 के भारत की नींव रखनी है और उसमें टीचर्स से हमें यह अपेक्षा करनी है कि अब 2047 के भारत का निर्माण आपके क्लासरूम से होगा, तो आज हमें ये निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा। आज लें, आज से 5 साल बाद लें, 6 साल बाद लें, 2 साल बाद लें, किसी समय पूरे देश को एक बहुत सोच समझ के निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा कि हमारे देश में भी टीचर्स की सैलरी सबसे ज्यादा, किसी भी अधिकारी से ज्यादा होनी चाहिए। ये हमें नियम बनाना पड़ेगा। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि टीचर्स को सबसे ज्यादा तनख्वाह दो और फिर जब सबसे ज्यादा सीनियर टीचर हो उसको भारत का कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी बना दो, नहीं, वो नहीं होगा। या डीएम बना दो। डीएम तो आईएएस को ही बनाना पड़ेगा। वो एक क्वालिफिकेशन लेके आते हैं, एक एक्सपीरियंस लेके आते हैं, एक खास तरह की नॉलेज लेके आते हैं, तो डीएम का काम तो एक आईएएस ही करेगा। लेकिन 5 साल में डीएम बन जाते हैं तारिक साहब, लगभग मराठी जी। तो 5 साल में एक आदमी डीएम बनता है।
Let me now, ladies and gentlemen, introduce two stellar, in fact, personalities to you. We have Mr. Anand Kumar. Doesn't need any introduction. Founder of the Super 30. He has films being made on him and an inspiration to a lot of people. We also have Ms. Reena Chadha, Associate Professor, SRCC. Ma'am, thank you so much. Anand sir, thank you aapko bhi for joining us at this moment. Let me start by asking you. मैं आप दोनों से ये पूछ लेता हूँ, आनंद सर, शुरुआत आपसे कर लेता हूँ। ऐसा भी होता है क्या कि बस 5 सितंबर को हैप्पी टीचर्स डे सर, बहुत सारे फोन आ गए, हमारे जैसे मीडिया वाले भी आपके पास आ गए, और उसके बाद साल भर के लिए उनका तो काम है, कर ही रहे?
नहीं, ऐसा होता है। अब तो सच पूछिए तो रस्म आयादगी भर रह गई है। ये बातें, टीचर्स का सम्मान धीरे धीरे मार्केट से उठता जा रहा है। इसमें टीचर्स की भी भूमिकाएं संदिग्ध है। कई टीचर्स शिक्षण को, एजुकेशन को व्यापार बना दिया। कई लोग उतना ध्यान से पढ़ा नहीं रहे, तो टीचर्स की तरफ से भी गलतियां हुई हैं। लेकिन समाज को चाहिए, सोसाइटी को चाहिए कि जो भी टीचर, ऐसे लाखों लाख टीचर, करोड़ों टीचर हमारे देश दुनिया में है जो बच्चों के लिए अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, उनको प्यार दे, सम्मान दे। अब आजकल आप क्या देखते हैं, ज्यादातर सीरियल्स देखते हैं, ओटीटी देखते हैं, फिल्म देखते हैं, तो जब भी टीचर्स को दिखाया जाता है तो कोई कागज फेंक रहा है, उनका मजाक उड़ा रहा है, मोटा चश्मा लटका हुआ है। ये सब चीजें भी बंद होनी चाहिए और टीचर का समाज में सम्मान होना चाहिए, ताकि आने वाली युवा पीढ़ी, नई नस्लें भी टीचर बनना चाहे।
That can't be said for Ms. Reena Chadha, the Mota Chashma and so forth, the kind of caricature that they draw for teachers. Ma'am, let me first ask you this. A very happy Teachers' Day to you, but what are the fondest memories? Some of your students, those who might have gone and achieved a lot of things today, calling you back, talking to you about the time that they spent in your classroom.
Yes, it's been a beautiful, I would say, today has been a lovely day. I have had received messages from students way back. I think I've been teaching for 38 years. And so those who have achieved so much in life, they have come forward, they have said thank yous, I had messages. So I think that really made my day. And we have had super achievers in our college. I mean, we've taken creme de la creme, and they are such good teachers. So teachers to us, because a teacher is a student all one's life. So if you want to be a good teacher, you have to be actually a good student. And I've learned a lot from my students. And the joy that I get when they perform and outperform us and they reach the acme of success, I think that joy cannot be measured in any monetary terms.
That's true. But let me ask you this as well before I get back to Mr. Anand Kumar. Tell me one thing, ma'am. You know, we keep talking about this demographic dividend that India has. We are a young population. We are aiming by 2047 to be a developed nation. How important is the role of the teachers as building blocks of society, of this developed nation? What more needs to be done in this education sector so that, you know, not only do we honor teachers, but teachers can produce a crop that takes India a lot forward than where we are today?
I think as a teacher, we are required to provide, our education's got three components. We provide them with knowledge sets, skill sets, and also with a mindset. Now, if I can inculcate in my student the passion to excel, develop critical thinking, innovation, I would say also about, in some way of problem solving. And most importantly, give them the confidence that they are the future of the nation. They are going to take us forward. So then I think I would have done my duty as a teacher, and that is how
Right.
we can contribute towards nation building.
Okay.